असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone. Now we shall start new topic, trigonometric identities. So we have already know some algebraic identities. What is an identity actually? Identity is an equation which is true for all the values of variables in the equation. It means it is true for all the situations. It means look at here first. So what is the, we have one identity. So first of all write the statement first and look at the example. We have an identity. What is that? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So this is an identity. Okay. If this is an identity, we can replace the a comma b values here. For example, take a equals to x, b equals to y. That is x plus y whole square is equals to, we can write x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is also true for all the values and all the variables. Okay. Instead of variables, I am taking now numbers. That means look at here, take x equals to 1, y equals to 2. Okay. What is that? Substitute in this equation. In this equation substitute. Substitute in 1 plus 2 whole square is equals to 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 square. So 1 square nothing but 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 1 plus 4 plus, it is, 4, it is 1 plus 4 plus 4 means 9. It is nothing but 1 plus 2 whole square. This is nothing but 3 square equals to 9. Nothing but 3 into 3 equals to 3 into 3 equals to 9. 9 equals to 9. Here LHS and RHS are both are, we got equal. That means this identity, it means this equation is true for variables as well as numbers. Okay. We can prove in other situation also. So this is called an identity. Now we have to define some trigonometric ratios identities. So what are trigonometric ratios? We have sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cot. Okay. For these trigonometric ratios, we have to define some identities like this. Okay. Right. Let us see how we shall define the trigonometric ratios. Right. I am rubbing this more. Right. So same as this, we shall take first one right angle triangle here, A, B, C, right angle at B. Okay. Right. So suppose take my angle here, I am calling it as theta. Okay. What is the sine ratio now? So sine theta. What is the sine theta ratio? Nothing but opposite length of opposite side of angle theta by length of hypotenuse. That nothing but AB by AC. Cos theta ratio length of adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. That is nothing but BC by AC. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. What that is? Opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite, and secant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Adjacent is BC. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite. These are the trigonometric ratios in the right angle triangle. Okay. Now what we do here? we have to make an identity here. So this is right angle triangle now. Yes, by Pythagoras theorem, what we have in the right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. What is the hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse here. AC square is equals to, and next one side is nothing but AB is the one side, it is whole square, plus BC is another side, it is whole square. Okay, right. Now I am making like this: AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. I am writing just reverse. Consider it is equation 1. So now what I am doing here, divide AC whole square, divide with the AC whole square both sides. Both sides means here and here. Okay. So AB whole square by AC whole square plus BC whole square by AC whole square, that equals to AC whole square by AC whole square. Okay, this 2 gets cancelled and 1 remains here. Okay, and here it becomes AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square plus equals to 1. So AB by AC, we have one ratio here. Look at here. Where is the AB by AC? Yes, here. This is the AB by AC. We can replace here sin theta. In place of AB by AC, we can write sin theta, isn't it? Look at here. BC by AC is nothing but our cos theta ratio. So we can replace BC by AC as cos theta. So I am replacing the values. Replacing the ratios with sin theta, cos theta. That is, look at here ma. In place of AB by AC, it is nothing but sin theta whole square plus BC by AC means nothing but cos theta whole square equals to 1. Okay. This we can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay ma. This is our identity. This is our trigonometric identity between sin and cos. We shall use this like as formula. Okay. And look at here ma, one more concept here. So sin theta whole square we can write as sin square theta. Okay, this is the right form. Sin theta whole square is equals to sin theta square. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong, this is the right one. Okay, keep it in your mind this. Okay, this is the first identity. Next we shall define one more identity here. This is the Pythagoras theorem. We can write like this also: AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square, equation 1 now. So now I am divide with AB square both sides. Okay, no problem, we can keep it bracket or not. Right, so AB square by AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square equals to AC square by AB square. Okay, now we can write these 2 gets cancelled, 1 remains, 1 plus this BC by AB becomes whole square, that equals to, here it is AC by AB, whole square. What happens next in the next step? So this goes to RHS side. 1 equals to AC square by AB whole square minus BC by AB whole square. Right. So next. So what is the AC by AB whole square means? AC by AB whole square means, look at here, AC by AB, where is the ratio? AC by AB, AC by AB, here it is, right. The ratio is this. AC by AB nothing but cosec theta. Next BC by AB means, BC by AB means nothing but cot theta. Okay, write that. We can write here 1 equals to, we can write AC by AB is nothing but cosec theta whole square minus BC by AB means nothing but cot theta whole square. Okay, right. This we can write in order. Cosec theta whole square minus cot theta whole square equals to 1. This square goes to inside, becomes cosec square theta, not cosec theta square. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1 is the another identity here. What is that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. This is one more identity. Now next we shall see for third identity. Next, divide equation 1 with BC square. Okay, nothing but AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square equals to AC square by BC square. Okay, this 2 gets cancelled. This becomes AB by BC whole square plus 1 equals to AC by BC whole square. Okay, now this AB by BC whole square goes to RHS side. What it becomes? So AC by BC whole square, it becomes negative sign, AB by BC whole square. Okay, next what it becomes more? Look at the ratio here first. So AC by BC, what is the, where is the AC by BC? Yes, here it is, nothing but secant theta. Secant theta whole square. AC by BC nothing but our secant theta. Next, AB by BC means, AB by BC means nothing but tan theta. Okay, minus tan theta whole square. That is 1 equals to secant square theta minus tan square theta. This you can make in the order. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1 is the third identity. Okay, we have these 3 identities in the trigonometric topic. So what is the identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, these are the 3 trigonometric ratios we have defined here. Okay, this we shall use in the exercise problems as formulas. Okay, okay ma, these are 3 trigonometric identities na. By using these identities we make some formulas here. Look at here first. I am taking sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So if you bring this cos square theta into RHS side, it becomes sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, this is one formula. Next, again same. If you bring this sin square theta into RHS side, what becomes more? Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, this we can use as formulas in the problems. Okay, keep it in your mind ma. Next, what is it? Next, second, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So okay, if you bring this cot square theta into RHS side, what it becomes ma? Cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, this is one more. And if you bring this cosec square theta into RHS side, what it becomes? Minus cot square theta equals to 1 minus cosec square theta, and multiplied both sides with the minus. Okay, that becomes cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, here I multiplied with the minus on both sides. Okay, this is one more formula here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look at for third identity. What is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, so secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. This is one formula. This is how much? 5th one. Now 6th one. If I bring this secant square theta into RHS side, what becomes ma? Minus tan square theta is equals to 1 minus secant square theta. Okay. Next, if I multiply both sides with the minus, what becomes ma? Tan square theta equals to secant square theta minus 1. This is the 6 formulas. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I defined again 6 formulas here, and look at one more. Look at it. Right. In the second identity, what is that ma? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1 na? So this is nothing but in the form of a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, look at that. A square minus b square here. Similarly, it is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, isn't it? We can replace by this formula. Okay, what is that now? Cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1. For example, what we can write? Cosec theta plus cot theta equals to 1 by, this goes to denominator here. Okay, cosec theta minus cot theta. This is also we shall use as formula. Okay, and this is one, 7th one it is. Okay, this is 7th one. Next, similarly, we get for this secant square theta minus tan square. This is also in the form of a square minus b square. This we can write as, what is that? Secant square theta, secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. Okay, this we can write as secant theta plus tan theta equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, this is also one more formula. And look at here ma, if I bring this secant theta plus tan theta into denominator, what becomes? Secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, next here look at the same concept applying here. If I bring this cosec theta in plus tan cot theta into denominator, what becomes? Cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. So finally how many formulas ma? This is 8th one, here it is 9th one, this is 10th one. Write down carefully ma, pause the video, check it clearly and write neatly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 formulas with the use of trigonometric identities. This 10 and that is 3. Total 13 formulas.